Hello and welcome. So, how do you delete the Temu app data? And it's going to be really quick, so just bear with me with this one. This is the application itself. It's basically like an e-commerce auxiliary app right here. So it's really good to get to know this. Go to settings, and let's just get to the point here. Once you're inside settings, go ahead and click app and management right here. After app and management, app list, and on the apps list, let's just wait for it to load here, because basically what it does, what a lot of people find it a lot more harder to do this on iPhone, but it's basically the same on Android. So let's just scroll ahead here, scroll down a little bit, and try to find, here it is. Let's click that, and there's a bunch of settings here. There's a bunch of options that you could do here. You could absolutely just clear the cache if you just want to, or you could just go ahead and straight to the point. Like, I'm just giving you a quick tour here of the options that you could do. So like this one, you could activate, disable Wi-Fi. It's basically it. And just go to storage, and here it is. You could clear the data here. So that's how quick and that's how simple it is to do this. So I really hope that this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a nice day.